IRCC has conducted another draw number 180 on March 31st. What is the CRS cutoff score? Which express entry class got invited? How many candidates got ITAs? For all that information, stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I provide information about immigrate to Canada and help people to apply for Canada immigration without any agent, which can save them a lot of money. Without a further ado, let's start today's video. Another draw number 180 has happened on March 31st, 2021. Only the candidates from Provincial Nominee Program got ITAs. 284 PNP class candidates got invitation to apply and the CRS cutoff score was 778. The tie-breaking rule was March 16, 2021 at 16 hours 9 minutes UTC. If you are not sure what is the tie-breaking rule, when multiple candidates score at the CRS cutoff score, IRCC makes use of the tie-breaking rule to control the number of ITAs issued in that draw. Only candidates who score at or above the CRS cutoff score and submitted a profile before the tie-breaking rule will be issued an ITA. Let's have a look on previous PNP draws in 2021. The cutoff score was 813 CRS on January 6, 2021, and after that it was decreasing continuously. But this time it again jumped up by 96 points. As we know that candidates in PNP class get 600 CRS score for the PNP certificate. So the lowest ranked candidate had 600 plus 178 CRS points. I know the candidates in the Federal Skilled Worker class getting a little bit impatient now, but don't worry, when IRCC will start inviting Federal Skilled Workers, the cutoff score will go high first and it will go down pretty soon. First of all, many congratulations to all of you who got ITAs in this draw. So now have a look on CRS score distribution of candidates in the express entry pool as of March 29, 2021. So when you look at this chart here, this side is the CRS score range and number of candidates. So this data shows that how many people are in the express entry pool right now. If you look at the CRS score 601 to 1200, in this range only 269 people in the pool right now. This score, these people are not from particular one class. This is a mix of all express entry pool, like all the classes from express entry. And if you have a look here, like 401 to 450, in this CRS score range, 45,000 people are in the pool right now. If you look at 491 to 500, in this CRS score range, 819 people in this express entry pool right now. If you are looking to immigrate to Canada, this is the time to take an action. Check your eligibility. Calculate your CRS score. If you stand somewhere nearby this express entry draws, then create your express entry profile by yourself without spending a penny. After that, if you want to update your profile, you can update it anytime. For all the information about how to check your eligibility, how to check your CRS score, how to create an express entry profile and update it after that, just click on the I button on your screen or in the link in the description. You will get to know all the information about Canada immigration. If you have any question regarding Canada immigration, please feel free to leave me a comment below and DM me on Instagram. I will be answering you as soon as possible. I will be back with more informative videos. Till then, stay tuned, stay positive, stay happy. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it and press the bell icon for more informative videos. Thanks for watching this video.